Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday distributed nearly 71,000 appointment letters virtually to newly inducted recruits in various central government departments and organizations in New Delhi. Railways Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw has said that India Railways has collected 42,370 crore rupees more revenue till date in comparison to revenue mark achieved in last financial year. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has said India will be stand by Sri Lanka in its hour of need to overcome the challenges it currently faces. He added that India has taken proactive steps and extended financial assurance to the IMF without waiting for the other creditors. India has produced a record over 5,000 lakh metric tons of sugarcane in the sugar session 2021-22. About 3,574 lakh metric ton of sugarcane was crushed to around 394 lakh metric tons of sugar. India defeat Wales 4-2 in the FIH Hockey Men's World Cup at the Kalinga Stadium in Bhubaneswar yesterday.